connection problem that many PC players are facing. Hashed error code N-14, what it means. Error code N-14 in Warhammer 40K Space Marine 2 usually points to game failing to connect to servers, network issues or region restrictions, problems with Steam account linking or server-side outages. How to fix error code N-14 game connection problem. 1. Restart Steam and the game as admin. Exit both Steam and the game completely. Right-click both and select Run as Administrator. Open quote, helps resolve permission-based connectivity blocks, close quote. 2. Verify game files on Steam. 1. Go to Steam Library. 2. Right-click Warhammer 40K Space Marine 2 Properties. Go to Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Open quote, corrupted files can cause connection failures. Close quote. 3. Flush DNS and reset TCP/IP. Open command prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC afterward. 4. Switch to a public DNS, Google DNS. 1. Open Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. 2. Click Change Adapter Settings. 3. Right-click your connection properties. 4. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP VV4. 5. Use the following DNS. You can see the code in our conversation history. Click OK and restart. #5. Disable IPv6. In the same TCP/IP settings, uncheck IPv6 and save. Open quote, this resolves compatibility issues with certain game servers, close quote. 6. Check firewall antivirus. Allow the game and Steam through your Windows firewall. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus or VPN to test connection. 7. Link game account properly. Some users report that Steam or publisher account linking causes N-14. Visit the official Focus Entertainment account portal. Log in and link your Steam account properly. Restart the game. 8. Use VPN, optional. Sometimes the game servers are region-specific or overloaded. Try using a VPN to a different region, like Germany, UK, or US. #9. Wait for server fix, if widespread. Check https://status.focus-ntmt.com. Please open your app to see this link. p//downdetector.com. Please open your app to see this link. Open quote, if servers are under maintenance or down, you'll need to wait it out. Close quote. Optional fix, clear Steam download cache. 1. Open Steam settings downloads. 2. Click clear download cache. 3. Restart Steam and the game. Final fix. Summary. Step, what it does. Fine. Run as admin. Fixes permission issues. Verify files. Repairs corrupted installs. Flush DNS, reset TCP/IP, clears network glitches. Use Google DNS, improves global connectivity. Disable IPv6, prevents protocol mismatches. Link Steam account, resolves account validation errors. Try VPN, bypasses region server locks. Still not working? If the problem still persists, it's likely a Focus Entertainment server issue, or your Steam Focus account isn't syncing correctly. Try reinstalling the game or contacting Focus Home Interactive Support with logs.